Okay, part 2 of me walking through my boyfriend's property. I got cut off. But like I was saying, yeah, anybody want to invest in a property that has a lot of potential, from an off-roading glamping to a holistic retreat, a concert venue. That'd be really freaking cool. But I don't know what the fire codes are or anything. I mean, like a rehab center would be really cool out here, because I'm telling you, there's nothing around here. Yeah. Somebody want to come out and film a scary movie? Or like a terms of endearment, family reconnecting because they go out in the middle of freaking nowhere type of movie. Hell, you could do also